going to discuss commutation of pension. Friends, section 10(a) is exemption for amount received from commuted pension. Okay, two columns are applicable. Column A is what? When he or she, employee, receives gratuity, then exemption is equal to 1/3 of commuted value of pension which he is normally entitled to receive. If employee do not receive gratuity, in that case exemption is equal to 1/2, 1/2 of commuted value of pension which he is normally entitled to receive. Okay, now we will see a problem. For example, Mr. X retired on 31st December 2023 from Bajaj Auto Limited. He also received gratuity of rupees 7 lakhs and his monthly pension was determined at rupees 10,000 per month. Okay, on 1st March 2024, he commuted 40% of his pension and received rupees 2,40,000. So compute his exemption under section 10(a). Okay, friends. Now, at the rate of 40% he commuted. Okay, I asked you exemption. What is the amount? You said column A is applicable. Why? Because you also received gratuity. Correct. But you said answer is 2,40,000 into 1/3. It is actually wrong. Why? This is wrong. Correct treatment is what? Whatever value is given into 1/3 नहीं करना है आपको. तो करना क्या है? See this. Which 1/3 of commuted value of pension which he is normally entitled to receive. At the rate of 40%, he received 2,40,000. Normally means 100%. If you compute 100%, how much he shall get? So 40% is 240. At 100%, how much? Cross multiplication. 100 into 2,40,000 divided by 40. It gives an output of rupees 6 lakh. So normal value expected here is 6 lakh. And then provide exemption 6 lakhs into 1/3. So actual value of commuted pension is exemption is 2 lakhs. Okay. So when you will present while submitting return of income to Department of Income Tax, how you have to present? Mr. X, okay, his salary received, everything will write. Then you will write monthly pension. Now his pension was started on 1st January 2024. Why? Because he retired on 31st December 23. उसके एक दिन बाद exactly on 1st January 2024 his pension will start. So for January month he received full pension 10,000. For Feb also he received 10,000. But on 1st March he commuted 40%. So out of 10,000 he commuted 40%. तो कितना कम्यूट किया उसने? 4,000. So 10,000 minus 4,000 which has been sold out. So 10 minus 4, 6,000 he received for March. So test of your knowledge lies in correctly understanding the problem and calculations. Look at the dates. In the month of March he received only 60% remaining pension and henceforth he will receive 6,000 per month because he has accepted commuted value 2,40,000. Now Department of Income Tax says tax baro isme bhi. You have income, pension is income. He said yes, I am ready to pay tax, but I will claim exemption of section 10(a) as per these provisions. 1/3 of commuted value, we have computed 2 lakhs. So 2,40,000 minus exemption section 10(a), 2 lakhs. Remaining amount is 40,000 taxable in the hands of Mr. X. This way you have to compute. So when you will solve problem on income from salary, all these provisions you have to solve with these working notes. These working notes shall form part of your answer. Mind my words. बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं मारना है कैलकुलेट में करके. You have to write properly table, calculations, show how 100% you derived, and then put in inner column, and then final exemption shall be shown. Presentation matters. When you are writing an answer sheet for income tax, Then presentation is very important. There is weightage to working notes which you are going to do at the end of your answer. Shall I hope it is understood? If any questions are there, you can ask any questions. Thank you. That's all.